In order to successfully connect your printer to your Android, you can scroll up from the bottom of your Android and go to the Settings app. Within the Settings app, you'll find Bluetooth, where you can turn it on. Upon turning on Bluetooth, there will be a list of devices around your Bluetooth on. Depending on how many devices there are is depending on how long this section will take. Once added, you'll find that our printers normally start with SP and will have the printer icon next to it, easy to identify. To click on that, the password is normally 0000 or 1234. Often you can also encounter this issue that I've encountered here, where 0000 is the password, however it is initially rejected, but persevering will allow you to actually connect the device to the printer. Upon connecting the device this way through Bluetooth, you can then scroll up again from the bottom of the Android and find the Paragon app. Within the Paragon app, go to Settings, and within Settings, go to the bottom of Settings and you'll find Printer Preferences. Clicking on Printer Preferences will then display the Android printer that you've just connected, and if you click on that, it will successfully add the printer to Paragon. You can then test print to make sure that your printer is working. Here I had to connect it to Unitech and then press print again to double check that it's working. You can obviously see this once your printer is printing, but also from the notification at the bottom of the Android.